A quick walk through the process of installing SAS University Edition. Type the link shown in your browser window and click on Download Now. You need virtualization software to run it. Get the Oracle VirtualBox from the link given. It is free. You could also search for Oracle VirtualBox 4.3.10 or later on Google. Since I work in Windows working environment, I pick the one which is meant for that one and then I download it. I create a new folder in my downloads and I save it there under a name which I can easily access if I need to get back to it sometime later. Now I click on the VirtualBox file that I downloaded and I run it. It is getting ready to be installed, kind of guides you step by step through the process. I click on the next button and it takes me through the process of installation. This might take some time. And while this is being installed, let's go and download the instructions file. Let's go back to the download page. Click on the Quick Start Guide to download it. Pretty useful information given on here with clear-cut instructions for reference if needed. Coming back to the page where our VirtualBox is being installed. Yeah, it's taking a little bit of time, but I'm pretty sure it's going to be worth the wait. The installation of the VirtualBox is now complete, and our next important step would be to download the virtual machine. We go back to the software downloads page. You will need a SAS profile to download the virtual machine. If you already have one, please use that user ID and password to log in. If you do not have a profile yet, please go ahead and create one. You will immediately receive two emails from SAS. Order confirmation email and shipment confirmation email. You can download the virtual machine either through your shipment confirmation email or from the SAS downloads page. As you click on the download button, it will immediately prompt you to save the file. Please be patient because this download may take some time as well. Once the download is complete, open the application by clicking on the file. We might need to make a few changes in the appliance settings depending on your computer's operating system. My operating system is Windows 7 64 bits and that is what I selected here. We might need to change the RAM settings a little bit. We are basically telling the virtual machine that this is what the working environment is going to be. Looks like our virtual machine is ready now. Now before we proceed any further, we need to install the Dropbox. Let's log into the email in which you received the Dropbox invitation from ANOVA Groups. Once you click on that email, it will prompt you to create an account. The purpose of the shared Dropbox is to access the files ANOVA Groups shares with the students, submission of homeworks, and to track progress, quiz performance, etc. Please click on the Download Dropbox prompt and begin downloading it. Ladies and gentlemen, some more patience required here. Once the Dropbox is done downloading, please go ahead and open the application to install it. And as I'm waiting for the installation process to complete, I'm reminded of a saying, "Good things come to people who wait." Aptly said. And here we go. My Dropbox is ready. All set. Once the Dropbox installation is complete and you log in, Batch 5 folder will appear automatically. With the virtual machine running, go to the Machine menu and click on Settings. Pick Shared Folders. Select Machine Folders and click on the plus sign. Pick Other in the drop-down menu. Scroll down and select Dropbox, in which you will be able to see the Batch 5 folder. When you select Batch 5 and click OK, a window pops up. Check the auto mount and make permanent boxes. Go to Computer. Under your local C drive, you might be able to see SAS University Edition folder. If it is not there, please create one. Under SAS University Edition, create another folder called My Folders. This time, check on the Auto Mount box. Make sure you don't check the Make Permanent box. The virtual machine, after it's done doing its process, gives you a URL that you need to type in the browser. It's pretty self-explanatory. Click on the button Start SAS Studio to launch SAS. This is how the SAS Studio interface looks like. Under Folder Shortcuts, we have the Batch 5 folder shared via Dropbox. And then you have the My folders on your local drive. A small code being written here for testing. We are running it, and now it's taking its own sweet time to run. There is our log window. Here I'm trying to save the code by clicking on the save icon. In the Save As window, I go to Batch 5 folder. Scroll down to Programs, where I want to save my program under sync test. I name it my first name, last name .sas. You try to save it under your name. Click Save. Now just to double check if my program was actually saved, I scroll down to Programs. Under Sync Test, I do see what I saved. As obvious, it is visible in Windows Explorer as well. Whatever you save under Batch 5 folder will be shared among all the Batch 5 members and ANOVA groups. That way, we can keep a track of your homework progress. I hope you all have a wonderful time practicing your SAS code.